Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel for a better life. In this video, I will show you a natural way to grow and strengthen nails, where the strong and attractive shape of the nails is one of the important things that women and girls care about in particular, and the slow growth of nails is one of the things that cause them anxiety and tension, and the constant desire to grow them faster, so that they have the desired shape. So follow these methods with me to help you grow nails more faster and stronger. One of the most important natural recipes that increases nail growth is lemon juice, as lemon helps remove nail spots. It also contains vitamin C, which also acts as a bleach and works on the proper growth of nails faster and noticeably. You can use lemon juice by bringing 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Put them in a bowl, then heat the mixture for 20 seconds in the microwave, and then soak your nails in this solution for 10 minutes. Repeat this method once a day to get the desired result. The second way is to use coconut oil. Coconut oil contains nutrients that provide moisture and nutrition needed for nails and skin as well. It is useful for treating fungal infections in the nails. And heat some coconut oil in a pot. Then massage your nails and fingers in circular motions, which helps in moving blood circulation and promoting nail growth. And you can repeat this every night before bed until you get what you want. And the last recipe with me is orange juice. Orange juice contains vitamin C, which helps in the production of collagen and maintains healthy nails. The way to use it is to get a bowl and add some orange juice. Then soak your fingers and nails in this bowl for 10 minutes. Then moisturize it properly. And you can repeat this once a day. These methods will help you to get strong and attractive nails. In addition to that, the nails will grow faster. I hope the video is useful to you, and I will be happy to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.